Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show your photo to people who are not in your contacts in the Viber application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button down below on the right side corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings. Click on Privacy at the top of the page, which is the second feature. Then you should scroll down and tap on Show Your Photo. Let users who are not in your contacts see your photo. Tap on this button on the right side, thereby enabling this feature. If you want to hide your picture from these people who are not in your contacts, just simply click on the same button again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.